Hi everyone, I am Nandini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology at V.S.B Engineering College, Karur. Before entering into the topic, do you think how the Netflix decides which movie is better, or how the Google Map provides the path with the low traffic within the fraction of second? Yes, these are all possible along with data science. So we have two thanks to data science. Yes. Our topic is data science. Today we are going to discuss about data science. Now, what exactly the data science? Data science is the fact of study that works with massive amounts of data utilizing various relevant tools and technology to derive a valuable data. The data science comprises of many techniques like artificial intelligence, natural language processing, machine language processing, and then deep learning and statistics, mathematics also. Yes. So the most attractive job of 21st century is the data scientist and data analyst. The companies like Google, Amazon, and then Microsoft hires the data scientist, deals with a problem solving knowledge. So these are all the data science tools which explores the data. So these are all the applications of data science. Even data science are applied in healthcare, digital marketing. In digital marketing, we predict the stock products, everything. Then the data science is used in fraud detection and risk management, gaming, e-commerce. The next one is data science process. So the data science process involves, the first one is we have to set the research goal. The research goal is setting by the stakeholders. Who are all the investors of data science? Who are all the investors of the project? So after setting the goal, we have to retrieve the data from the data warehouse or data mart or data lake, etc. Or else we retrieve the data from the internal storage also. Then the next two processes, data cleaning. In that cleaning, there are three components. The first one is data cleaning, the next one is data combining, the third one is data transformation. The next to the data cleaning, the data exploration. So the data exploration is the blueprint of the entire data. That is, the data exploration visualize the exactly what the data involved. The next one is data modeling. So here in this part we have to model the project. After we model the project, we have to deploy the project. So after the deployment, the stakeholders gives the feedback, or else if it is achieves the research goal or not, right? So if it is achieves the research goal, we stop the project, or else we refine the project. So in the setting the research goal, we first creating the project charter. Then retrieving the data, there are two parts. One is internal and then second one is external. In data pre-processing, the data cleaning, transformation and data combining is involved. The next one is data exploration. It involves, it may be a simple graph or combined graphs, or it is a link and brush. Then the next one is data modeling. The data modeling is nothing but the selection of data, diagnosis of data and execution of data. The final one is data deployment. It presents and going to be a deployed, or it is if it is a feedback, then it is a automatic refinement. The first one, setting a research goal. Before setting the research goal, we have to ask the stakeholders. So stakeholders are our investors whom to create our project. So we have to ask the stakeholders what is the project, when the project will complete. The next one is how the project will prolong. So we have to create, after collecting the information from the stakeholders, we have to create the project charter. The project charter involves the problem statement, which is exactly the objective of the project. The next one is business cases. The next one is goal statement. So exactly what is the project defines. The next one is team members who are all involved in this project. The next one is scope. The vision of the project is in which dimension. So that is what the scope. The next one is timeline. So these are all the topics along with timeline. So this is mainly this is the important thing in the project charter. Then we have to retrieve the data. So retrieve the data from internal and then external storage. If it is an internal means the data which are already present in our company. That is the internal data. It is already refined. So it is a structured one. No need to clean the project. The next one is external data. The external data is raw data. So it may be unstructured data, and it is a audio, video, image, or the data may be anything, right? The next one. So these are all the UCI repository. We can download our data sets from the UCI repositories. The next one is data preparation. So the data process involves extract the data from the raw massive amount of data. So this raw massive amount of data, we have to must include the data cleaning process. So data cleaning process involves three, including data cleaning and then combining, then data transformation. So in the data cleaning process, we have to remove the duplicated data and errors, then unwanted spaces, handling missing data, outliers, and fix the data into the structural one. So these are all the example of outliers. So which one is odd one out? That is what outliers. The next one is missing data. So if the data is missed means we can't able to develop the project. So we can't able to process the further thing. So next to the data cleaning, we have to combine the data by using append, views, and then joins. So append means the data sets into the just we add the data set. If it is a view means we have to combine the entire thing into the single one, but the view is different. If it is a view means the adding part, that combining part is doing in a virtual manner, then it will displays only the results. So it involves less storage memory. Next one is data transformation. After the data cleaning and then data combining, we have to do the next process is data transformation. In the data transformation, it is the integration of data management tasks, such as data wrangling, etc. In the data transformation, we have to process the entire thing and convert the data from one form into the another form. So this is the example of data transformation. So how it transfers how it reduces the dimensionality into one form to another form. Next one is data exploration. The data exploration is to uncover the data set, or else it is the visualization of data. So the visualization involves simple graphs. It may be a simple graph, or it is a combined graph, or it is a pie chart, or bar chart, etc. The next one is data modeling. We already discussed about the data modeling. So data modeling involves three components. One is selecting the model. So which model exactly apt to the project. So that is the main thing. So first we have to select the model. Then next we have to diagnose the model. So it is okay or not. So we have to diagnose with our previous models. Then the next one is execution of the model. So the execution part is derived using the data science tools like Python, R tools, etc. The next one is deployment. The deployment is the process of putting the models into the production. So we delivered the entire project to the customer. The customer here is the stakeholders. So after getting the feedback, we refine the entire project. Thank you. So this is the overview of data science and the data science process.